Okay, so we are back, and now we're going to find the particular solution. And so we talked about this in class, and notice that f of t, which is this right here, notice it's a constant vector, right? So that means, so f of t is a constant vector. Therefore, similar to what we did before, our setup will just be a sub 1, b sub 1 to represent some constant vector, okay? And so xp prime then is just what? 0, 0. Okay, if we plug this back into the original expression, which was x prime equals negative 1, 2, negative 1, 1, x plus negative 8, 3, then we have 0, 0 equals negative 1, 2, negative 1, 1, a sub 1, b sub 1, plus negative 8, 3. Okay. And if we solve for this, similar again like we did in class, you'll get negative a sub 1 plus 2b sub 1 minus 8 equals 0, and then negative a sub 1 plus b sub 1 plus 3 equals 0. Okay. And again, there are different ways you can solve for this. I want you to go ahead and solve these equations. And for a sub 1, b sub 1, you should end up with 14, 11. And therefore, we have our particular solution. And so our final answer will be x equals c1 cosine t plus sine t cosine t plus c2 sine t minus cosine t sine t, and then plus, that should be a 14 actually. So it should be 14, 11, not 4. Okay. So this is all. We'll continue in class, finishing up looking at the variation of parameters, but we'll finish this in class.